In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a survey using Surveymonkey. Surveymonkey is a great tool for creating online surveys that are both professional looking and easy to use. Whether you're conducting market research, gathering customer feedback, or simply collecting opinions, being able to duplicate surveys efficiently can save you a lot of time and effort, as you can reuse templates for repeated survey processes. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the SurveyMonkey homepage. This is essentially your starting point for any survey project you're working on. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the section labeled Projects. Think of this as your dashboard where all your surveys are organized. Finding your way around this area is crucial because it serves as the control center for managing your survey creations. Once you're on the Projects page, look for the specific survey that you want to duplicate. This might take a little scrolling if you have numerous surveys, but once you've found it, direct your attention to the three dots usually situated on the right side of the survey title. These dots are akin to a settings menu, providing you with various options to manage that particular survey. You'll want to click on these three dots, which prompts a drop-down menu to appear with several choices. In this menu, you'll see an option that says Make a Copy. Selecting this option is the essence of duplicating your survey. When you click on Make a Copy, SurveyMonkey will begin to create an exact replica of the original survey. This feature is incredibly handy for maintaining the exact structure and content of a well-crafted survey without having to start from scratch. After choosing to make a copy, the next step requires you to confirm your action. SurveyMonkey will prompt you, usually with a pop-up or dialog box, asking you to verify that you indeed want to proceed with copying the survey. This confirmation step is essentially a safeguard, ensuring that you've intentionally chosen to duplicate the survey and haven't clicked the button by accident. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to confirm, and within seconds, you'll see a new survey appear in your projects list, usually labeled with the original survey's name followed by copy or something similar. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated a survey. This newly created copy can be edited to suit your current project needs while still keeping the original survey intact for future use or reference. Remember, the ability to duplicate surveys can greatly streamline your workflow by allowing you to build on previous templates and maintain consistency in your survey distribution efforts.